अगर आपका बेबी 6 महीने का होने वाला है या हो चुका है और आपसे सब कह रहे हैं कि बच्चे को एग मत दो, एलर्जी हो जाएगी, 1 या 2 साल तक वेट करो, then this video is for you. Because this advice, it's not just wrong, it's also dangerous. For years we have been told to delay giving eggs to our babies, but latest science says just the opposite. Delaying eggs does not reduce the risk of allergy for your babies, it actually increases it. Hi, I'm Dr. Anuradha, pediatrician and parenting coach from Bangalore, and today I'm going to bust the biggest egg myth that every Indian parent has been told for generations. And I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to introduce eggs safely for your babies from 6 months onwards. ये myth कहाँ से आया? For ages, parents, doctors, pediatricians, including me, we told parents to delay allergenic foods like peanuts, soy, fish, and egg. The logic seemed simple. If we wait, the baby's immune system becomes mature, and then they'll be able to digest it and there'll be lesser risk of allergy. Sounds logical, right? And in India, नानी और दादी took it to the next level. वो कहते हैं एग से बच्चे के शरीर को गर्मी होती है, वो उसको सूट नहीं करता, इसलिए पहले दूसरी चीजें दो और धीरे धीरे अंडा बाद में देंगे जब वो 1 साल का हो जाएगा. I hear this literally every single week in my clinic from all parents and grandparents. And I understand why families believe this. It seems like caution, it seems like protection for the baby. But the truth, science has completely reversed this advice. Now let's look at what research actually says. Game-changing research studies like Leap and Eat study showed that when egg was introduced early by 6 months of age, the risk of allergy came down drastically as compared to waiting. Allergy risks went up when it was delayed beyond 1 year. So the old wait and see approach is a huge mistake. Another remarkable study from Ecuador showed that when one egg was given daily to babies starting from 6 months of age, the risk of poor growth came down by 47%. Just one egg a day and 47% less risk. And that is why American Academy of Pediatrics, World Health Organizations, and other worldwide allergy organizations recommend that egg be introduced early by 6 months of age itself and keep them in the diet consistently. अब इससे पहले कि आप अभी किचन में जाके एक अंडा बॉईल करना शुरू कर दें, एक important बात. There is a right and wrong method of introducing eggs. Get the method wrong, you will miss the window, and more importantly, you will miss the real signs of allergy. So let me show you how exactly to do this. Step number 1, set the scene. ये वो स्टेप है जो 90% पेरेंट्स मिस कर देते हैं, but it's very very important. Rule number 1, choose the moment. Always introduce eggs in the morning. Morning में क्यों? Because if you introduce eggs closer to the time where you are about to sleep, you might miss the signs of allergy or reaction in your child. Rule number 2, healthy baby only. If your baby has fever, vomiting, diarrhea, cold, cough, do not introduce egg at this point of time. A sick child's immune system is already stressed. We don't want to introduce a new variable at this time. Rule number 3, one new allergen at a time. The 3-day rule. Say for example, if you are introducing egg on Monday, wait for 3 days before you introduce the next food like fish, soy, etc. This will give you the time to understand if your baby is going to have a reaction to egg and also avoid confusion when you give multiple things at the same time. और एक बात, for most babies, the golden period of introducing eggs is around 6 months of age, not before that. But if your baby has severe eczema or there is history of severe allergy in the family, you must consult your allergy specialist or pediatrician to know if you need to give this early to improve your baby's tolerance. Step number 2, cook it perfectly. This rule is non-negotiable. Never give egg which has a runny yolk, half boiled, etc. because this puts your baby at a serious risk of an infection by salmonella that can cause typhoid and other serious gut infections. Also, egg proteins when raw are more likely to trigger allergy than when egg is fully cooked because it breaks down the proteins and makes it easier for your babies to tolerate. Two safe methods are: number 1, hard boiled eggs. Boil eggs for at least 10 minutes, not 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Once the egg is completely boiled, then you can mash egg white and yolk together. Yes, both can be introduced together and then you can safely give it to your child. The second method is scrambled egg. Here you take a whole egg and whisk both yolk and white together completely. Cook it till it is fully dry. No water should be left. Do not add salt and spice. If your baby is 6 months old, you can add breast milk or formula milk or a little bit of water to thin it out and make it like a puree. Step number 3, the first taste and a 2-hour watch. Give a very small portion, just the tip of the spoon, as the first taste for your baby. For the next 2 hours, if your baby is hungry, don't give anything new, just breast milk or formula milk. During the following 2 hours, watch your baby for any reaction like swelling of the lips, rashes, difficulty in breathing, and so on. Most of the time, babies tolerate eggs just fine, but you just want to catch the reaction at the earliest. Step number 4, slowly level up. So from this smear, slowly increase the portion of egg every single day till you reach around 1 to 2 tablespoons, which is about 1/3 of an egg, which is enough for our 6 to 7 month old babies because they have a tiny stomach. Don't expect them to eat the entire egg. Step number 5, consistency, the golden rule that you should never miss. It's not enough to just introduce egg once and then leave it for weeks. Your baby's immune system requires repeated exposure to understand that egg is safe. It is not a threat. So you should give at least twice a week and give it continuously. Giving a long gap is not going to give your baby the protection that is necessary. By 8 months, protein-rich foods like eggs should be part of your baby's diet, not just for allergy, but also because it is a powerhouse of nutrition. Both egg white and yellow give your baby protein, iron, choline for brain development, vitamins, and healthy fats. And one important thing to remember, if your family has history of allergy or baby has severe eczema, don't avoid egg. Instead, talk to your doctor because almost always we will never say no, but we'll teach you how to introduce it in a safe manner. Now the last bit, recognizing an allergic reaction. While eggs are completely safe, it's very important for parents to know the signs of allergy because this will make you confident and you will be able to give eggs safely and act on time if your baby has an allergy. Allergic reactions are of 2 types. Mild to moderate reactions include hives or red welts on the skin, rashes around the mouth, itching around the mouth, a mild swelling of the lips and tongue, and sometimes vomiting or diarrhea. Severe reactions are uncommon, but you must know how to recognize them. If your baby has difficulty in breathing or wheezing, a hoarse voice, suddenly goes limp, has bluish discoloration around the lips, or has severe swelling of tongue and lips, then you must rush to emergency. Let me end with this. For generations, Indian parents have been told to fear eggs, to delay, to wait. But science is very clear about this now. Early introduction of eggs in a safe manner can be the best thing you can do for your child. It's not just about preventing allergy, it's about giving them a healthy start. You are not taking risk by introducing egg to your baby early in their life. You are following the best possible available evidence, led by science, guided by your pediatrician, and powered by your love. This is not about being fearless. It's about being informed and confident. And you are now. Click the link in the description and I'll share with you my egg introduction checklist. Everything that we have covered in this video in one PDF. Share this video with every new parent who has been told अंडा मत दो, बच्चे को एलर्जी हो जाएगी. फॉलो करना मत भूलिए. For more science-backed parenting guidance every single week, I'm Dr. Anuradha HS. You've got this.